Hello and welcome to our video course on how to start affiliate marketing today. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online by promoting other people's products and earning a commission on each sale you make. In this course, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started with affiliate marketing, even if you're a complete beginner. So let's get started. Section 1. Understanding affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online by promoting other people's products and earning a commission on each sale you make. It's a win-win situation for both the product owner and the affiliate marketer. The product owner gets exposure and sales for their product, while the affiliate marketer earns a commission without having to create a product or handle customer support. So, how does affiliate marketing work? Essentially, you promote a product to your audience, and when someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission on the sale. The commission rate varies depending on the affiliate program, but it can range from a few percent up to 50% or more. There are different types of affiliate marketing programs, including pay-per-click, PPC, pay-per-sale, PPS, and pay-per-lead, PPL. In a PPC program, you earn a commission every time someone clicks on your affiliate link, regardless of whether they make a purchase or not. In a PPS program, you earn a commission only when someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase. In a PPL program, you earn a commission when someone clicks on your link and completes a specific action, such as filling out a form or signing up for a free trial. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to choose the right program for your audience and niche. Some affiliate programs are better suited for certain types of products or audiences. For example, a health and wellness blogger might choose to promote products in the fitness or nutrition niche, while a tech blogger might choose to promote software or gadgets. Another important factor to consider when choosing an affiliate program is the commission rate. While a high commission rate is appealing, it's also important to consider the conversion rate, or the percentage of people who click on your link and make a purchase. A lower commission rate with a higher conversion rate might result in more earnings in the long run. In summary, affiliate marketing is a popular and effective way to make money online by promoting other people's products. There are different types of affiliate programs to choose from, and it's important to choose the right program for your audience and niche. The commission rate and conversion rate are important factors to consider when choosing an affiliate program. In the next section, we'll talk about how to choose your niche and research your audience. Section 2. Choosing your niche. Choosing the right niche is one of the most important steps in starting your affiliate marketing journey. Your niche should be something you're passionate about, and it should also be profitable. In this section, we'll discuss how to choose your niche and research your audience. Start with your interests and passions. The first step in choosing your niche is to make a list of your interests and passions. This will help you narrow down your options and choose a niche that you're passionate about. If you're not interested in the products you're promoting, it will be difficult to convince your audience to buy them. Research profitable niches. While it's important to choose a niche you're passionate about, you also want to make sure it's profitable. Some niches are more profitable than others, and you can research this by looking at the commission rates and conversion rates of different affiliate programs. Some popular niches include health and wellness, beauty, personal finance, and technology. Check for competition. Once you've identified a few potential niches, it's important to check for competition. While some competition is a good thing, you don't want to choose a niche that's oversaturated with affiliate marketers. You can research this by searching for your niche on Google and seeing how many results come up. If there are already hundreds of websites promoting similar products, it might be difficult to stand out. Research your audience. After you've chosen your niche, it's important to research your audience. Who are they? What are their pain points and desires? What products are they already buying? This information will help you create content and choose products that will resonate with your audience. Choose affiliate programs. Finally, you'll want to choose affiliate programs that are relevant to your niche and audience. Look for programs with high commission rates and good conversion rates. It's also important to choose reputable programs with good customer support and a solid track record. In summary, choosing your niche is an important step in starting your affiliate marketing journey. Start with your interests and passions, research profitable niches, check for competition, research your audience, and choose relevant affiliate programs. In the next section, We'll talk about how to build your website and create content. Section 3. Creating your website or blog. One of the most important steps in starting your affiliate marketing business is creating a website or blog to promote your products. While it's not necessary to have a website to do affiliate marketing, it can be a powerful tool for building your brand, establishing credibility, and attracting an audience. In this section, we'll cover everything you need to know about creating a website or blog for your affiliate marketing business. Choose a domain name. Your domain name is the web address that people will use to access your site. Choose a name that is short, memorable, and easy to spell. You can use a domain name registrar like Namecheap or GoDaddy to register your domain. Choose a hosting provider. Your hosting provider is the company that will store your website files and make them accessible to the internet. Choose a hosting provider that is reliable, fast, and has good customer support. Some popular options include Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator. Install a content management system, CMS. A CMS is software that allows you to create, manage, and publish content on your website. The most popular CMS is WordPress, which is easy to use, flexible, and has a large community of users and developers. Choose a theme. Your theme is the design template that determines the look and feel of your site. Choose a theme that is visually appealing, easy to navigate, and optimized for search engines. There are many free and paid themes available for WordPress. Create content. Your content is what will attract and engage your audience. Create content that is valuable, informative, and relevant to your niche. You can create blog posts, videos, infographics, or any other type of content that will appeal to your audience. Optimize for search engines. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results. This will help your site get more traffic and attract more potential customers. Use keywords, meta tags, and other SEO techniques to optimize your content for search engines. Promote your site. Once your site is up and running, it's time to start promoting it. Use social media, email marketing, and other promotional strategies to attract visitors to your site. You can also use paid advertising to drive targeted traffic to your site. It's important to note that while having a website can be beneficial for your affiliate marketing business, it's not necessary. You can also promote your affiliate products through social media, email marketing, or other channels. However, having a website can provide a platform for building your brand and establishing credibility, which can lead to long-term success. Section 4. Building your audience. Once you've chosen your niche and created your website, the next step is to build your audience. Building an audience takes time and effort, but it's essential for the success of your affiliate marketing business. In this section, we'll discuss how to build your audience and create a loyal following. Create valuable content. The key to building your audience is to create valuable content that resonates with your target audience. This can include blog posts, videos, podcasts, social media posts, and more. Your content should provide value and solve your audience's problems or answer their questions. This will help establish you as an authority in your niche and build trust with your audience. Use social media. Social media is a powerful tool for building your audience and promoting your content. Choose the platforms where your audience spends the most time and create a consistent posting schedule. Engage with your followers and respond to their comments and questions. You can also use social media ads to reach a wider audience. Build an email list. Building an email list is one of the most effective ways to build a loyal audience. Offer a free incentive, such as an ebook or a free course, in exchange for your audience's email addresses. Use email marketing to nurture your audience and promote your affiliate products. Collaborate with others. Collaborating with other influencers and content creators in your niche can help you reach a wider audience and build credibility. Look for opportunities to guest post on other websites. Participate in podcast interviews or collaborate on social media campaigns. Engage with your audience. Finally, it's important to engage with your audience and build a community around your brand. Respond to comments and messages, ask for feedback, and create opportunities for your audience to connect with you and each other. In summary, building your audience is an essential part of your affiliate marketing business. Create valuable content, use social media, build an email list, collaborate with others, and engage with your audience. With time and effort, you can build a loyal following that trusts your recommendations and supports your business. Section 5. Finding and joining affiliate programs. Once you've chosen your niche and built your audience, the next step is to find and join affiliate programs. Affiliate programs are partnerships between businesses and affiliates, where the affiliates promote the business's products and earn a commission on sales. In this section, we'll discuss how to find and join affiliate programs that are relevant to your niche and audience. Research affiliate programs. The first step in finding affiliate programs is to research the programs that are relevant to your niche and audience. Look for programs that offer products or services that align with your niche and that your audience would be interested in. You can use affiliate networks, such as ShareASale, Commission Junction, or Amazon Associates, to find a wide range of affiliate programs in different niches. Check the commission rates. The commission rate is the percentage of the sale that you'll earn as an affiliate. Look for programs with high commission rates, but also consider the conversion rate and the quality of the products. It's better to promote high-quality products with lower commission rates than to promote low-quality products with high commission rates. Read the terms and conditions. Before joining an affiliate program, make sure to read the terms and conditions carefully. Look for any restrictions or requirements, such as minimum sales thresholds or prohibited promotional methods. Make sure that you understand the program's payment structure and payment schedule. Apply to the program. Once you've found an affiliate program that you're interested in, apply to the program. Some programs require an application and approval process, while others allow you to sign up directly. Be prepared to provide information about your website and your promotional methods. Promote the products. Once you're accepted into an affiliate program, start promoting the products to your audience. Create content that highlights the benefits of the products and provides value to your audience. Be transparent about your affiliate relationship and disclose your affiliate links. Monitor your results and make adjustments as needed. In summary, finding and joining affiliate programs is an important part of your affiliate marketing business. Research affiliate programs, check the commission rates, read the terms and conditions. Apply to the program, and promote the products to your audience. With time and effort, you can earn a steady stream of income through affiliate marketing. Section 6. Creating and promoting your content. Creating and promoting high-quality content is essential for the success of your affiliate marketing business. In this section, we'll discuss how to create and promote content that resonates with your audience and drives sales. Choose the right format. There are many different formats you can use to create content, including blog posts, videos, podcasts, social media posts, and more. Choose the format that best suits your niche and audience. For example, if your audience is visual, you may want to focus on creating videos or images. Provide value. The key to creating effective content is to provide value to your audience. Your content should solve your audience's problems or answer their questions. You can provide tutorials, reviews, how-to guides, and more. Make sure that your content is relevant to your audience and provides actionable insights. Incorporate affiliate links. When creating content, incorporate affiliate links that lead to the products you're promoting. Make sure to disclose your affiliate relationship and explain why you're promoting the products. Be honest and transparent with your audience. Optimize for search engines. To attract more traffic to your website, optimize your content for search engines. Use keywords that your audience is searching for. And make sure your content is optimized for mobile devices. Include meta descriptions, titles, and tags to help search engines find your content. Use social media. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your content and reaching a wider audience. Share your content on social media platforms that your audience uses, and engage with your followers. Use social media ads to reach a larger audience. Email marketing. Use email marketing to promote your content and affiliate products to your email list. Create engaging emails that provide value to your subscribers and include affiliate links where appropriate. Monitor your results. Finally, it's important to monitor your results and make adjustments as needed. Use analytics tools to track your traffic, conversions, and earnings. Use this information to refine your content and promotional strategies. In summary, creating and promoting high-quality content is essential for the success of your affiliate marketing business. Choose the right format, provide value, incorporate affiliate links. Optimize for search engines, use social media, email marketing, and monitor your results. With time and effort, you can create content that resonates with your audience and drives sales. Section 7. Tracking your results and scaling your business. Once you've started your affiliate marketing business, it's important to track your results and make adjustments to scale your business. In this section, we'll discuss how to track your results and scale your business to increase your earnings. Track your results. Use analytics tools to track your traffic, conversions, and earnings. This information will help you understand which promotional strategies are working and which ones need improvement. Use this data to refine your content and promotional strategies. Experiment with different strategies. Once you've tracked your results, experiment with different promotional strategies to find the ones that work best for your niche and audience. For example, you may want to try different social media platforms, email marketing techniques, or promotional methods. Automate your business. As your business grows, consider automating some of your tasks to save time and increase efficiency. For example, you can use tools to schedule social media posts or automate email campaigns. Build relationships with your audience. Building relationships with your audience is crucial for the success of your affiliate marketing business. Engage with your audience on social media. Respond to comments and messages, and provide value through your content. Scale your business. Once you've found strategies that work for your niche and audience, it's time to scale your business. You can do this by expanding your content offerings, partnering with other affiliates, or launching new products. Make sure to track your results and adjust your strategies as needed. Diversify your income. To increase your earnings and reduce your dependence on any one affiliate program, consider diversifying your income streams. You can do this by offering your own products or services, creating digital products, or participating in multiple affiliate programs. In summary, tracking your results and scaling your business are important steps in the success of your affiliate marketing business. Track your results, experiment with different strategies, automate your business, build relationships with your audience, scale your business, and diversify your income. With time and effort, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business that provides a steady stream of income. Congratulations! You've completed our video course on how to start affiliate marketing today. By following the steps we've covered in this course, you're well on your way to creating a successful affiliate marketing business. Remember, it takes time and effort to build a sustainable income from affiliate marketing. But with patience and persistence, you can achieve your goals. Check the link in the description for more free training and tools available for you. Thanks for watching, and good luck.